Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and more. Today I am excited to bring with you day 5. Yes, day 5 of the 80 Days Junk Journal Stuffies Challenge from That's Just Penny. And today I am going to be showing or sharing with you how to do a corner pocket flip up. A corner pocket flip up for your journal. And since I am working on my devotional journal and I'm wanting to decorate it, I figured what opportunity I had to kill two birds with one stone, because I want to finish this 80 days of junk journal challenge, Stuffies challenge that I was doing for That's Just Penny. And although I had my videos already done and ready to upload to YouTube, they uploaded to YouTube, but something along the lines happened, and the upload wasn't well, or when it didn't upload it to my channel. It's there, but for some reason it says there's an error, so it won't let me it wasn't publishing them to my YouTube channel. Anyway, that's something is going on with my channel, but regardless, I have to do it, because when I commit to something, I commit to something. So we're gonna redo them. So today, corner pocket flip up. What is that? Well, a corner of a page, right? A pocket is anything where we can stuff things in, and a flip up is something that flips up. So how does that work? I am going to be working with scraps, the scraps from when I trimmed these. And so when you work with scraps from the papers that you did your journal with, it helps the journal flow, be cohesive, match, if you will. And it also helps get rid of all the scraps, right? So I'm going to take a piece of scrap, and I'm going to do a corner tuck right here, and I do not want it big, and I'll show you how I'm going to achieve this. So all I'm going to do is meet this corner of the page to this corner. So in essence, I'm making a triangle. You see that? Right here? So I just folded that over. And there is my flip up also, because it has two papers. So look, flip up, that's a flip. So I am going to put it here in the corner, and I'm going to glue right here and right here, and now that is going to become a pocket. So a corner, right, corner, a pocket, and now it flips up. So this is a corner pocket flip up. So what I'm going to do, if you notice, my journal has the corners rounded, which I achieved by using this little corner rounder. If you do not have a corner rounder and you want to round your corners, just take your scissors and round the corner manually, right, with your scissors. But if you notice, this one is not rounded in the corner. Let's see. Sometimes you can do this and it'll match up. Yes. So all I did was put it in here and chopped it and rounded my corners. If I didn't have this, this is how I would do it. Pretend this was a corner. Pretend I didn't round the corner. I would have glued it on here and then turned it around. And with my scissors, I would have followed this page and chopped the corner. But I do have my rounder, so it's there. Because I want it to be a pocket, I am only going to glue 2 sides and leave this one open. Another thing I want to point out, because you're folding over the paper, when you use it as a pocket, right? This side right here, it's two pieces of paper sandwiched together because it's folded over. So it gives it strength, and you can tuck your things in and out and it won't mess up, or it has a tendency to do well. So like I said, I'm going to just go here and here. I hope you all are doing well. We just got over Hurricane Hannah in our area. We were blessed not to have anything happen in my area where I am living currently. We did get a lot of winds and rain, but nothing happened. We did have somebody crash into the light pole in front of us or in our neighbor's home, but everybody was fine. The people that crashed into the pole are fine. We didn't lose power, thank God. And as I speak, you're probably going to start hearing noise because, of course, someone decides to do a video and the truck from the light company shows up to fix the pole. So you might hear noise outside. But like I've said before, this is a regular household. There is noise. And that's just how it is. So there we have it. We have a corner, pocket, flip up. Isn't that easy? Now here you have a lot of options. You can put papers in here, and so you could have somewhere to journal, or you can actually pop something inside. So when you flip it up, bam, you have something peeking out at you. I think I like this one. Be still and know I'm God. And here, let's see. Yeah, I like that. So that's how I'm going to decorate mine. You can decorate it in many ways to your heart's desire. I have had these. When I have a chance or when I'm not feeling well, I'll take things in a little bucket or a little one of those plastic shoe boxes. I'll take it over to my bed or the sofa, and I will just put things together. What I did here, I have a little die cut that my friend sent me. Thank you, friend. You know who you are. It's a stitch circle, and all I did was take pictures. Oh my God, what are they? Stickers, and I put them here. So now I have some lovely embellishments, and that's something I can do, like I said, when I'm laying in bed or when I am on the couch, and I decorate them. And then when I am doing my I think I like this better, because then this is too much of the same thing. When I am decorating things like this, they come in handy because they're already kind of decorated, and look how different that looks. So instead of putting the round one, I think it was this one. Instead of putting the round one, because when I flip this up, it's gonna have the same round, which is okay, but I want something different. So I'm going to put this scripture. It says, I will call on the Lord who is worthy to be praised. So shall I be saved from my enemies. And I like that. And I'm going to put that there. But you can put anything in the flip up. Maybe you want to leave it blank and have a secret journaling spot. And nobody will know after you write something there. Or so you know how sometimes we need to get our emotions out, right? Maybe you can journal whatever you need to say and you don't want anybody to see. Well, then you take your glue, you cover it up, but you know that it's in there, right? So this is our corner pocket flip up from That's Just Penny. And this is day number 5 for the 80 days of Junk Journal Stuffies challenge list. Now, I did mine this size, but you could also do a bigger one. Now, I don't want to hold this paper. Let's see that piece of white paper. Yeah, here we go. So let's say you wanted a bigger one. So you take a bigger piece of paper. I'm sorry, let me take it off the white background. Take a bigger piece of paper. Take the corner and you put it to the side of the paper. You cut it here. See how it gives you a corner? It's folded in half. This one's actually going to give me 4 like this. It opens up. So now you have a bigger one. Of course, it wouldn't, it won't work here. I could put it down here. See how it's bigger? I would glue it here and here. Then I would, you know what, let me do it. This is how you do it. Take your corner, right? You decide if you wanted to flip this way or if you want it to flip downward, right? I'm going to do it this way. But see how it's too big for this page? Let me show you how you do that. You take this corner and you put it not in the middle where it touches this page. You want to leave a gap right here so that when you turn your pages, it doesn't interfere with you turning the pages or with your spine, with the connection right here. So you want to leave about 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch there. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and I'm going to turn it. Oops, I grabbed too many papers. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. So just make sure you have that little gap there. Flip it around. Make sure it's flush. In other words, move it over so that there's nothing of this corner pocket coming out. And the reason I flipped it over is because I'm going to use this page as a stencil. I take my pencil. And draw a line there. See what I did? I made this line right here. And I'm just going to cut on that line. And that should give me a, oh man, I think I cut it wrong. I'll find out when I put it down. Let me see. That should give me the measurement for there. So now I have, it was cut double. It's okay. Now I have the corner tuck spot there. And it's bigger than this one. So it depends how big of a paper you want. You make a corner tuck spot. If it's a corner, it's a pocket because you're going to glue it 1-2 ways and then it flips up. You can also use it over here. And it would be, I would have to cut this because now it's the top. But you can also use it on the top. And it would be a top corner pocket. Instead of flip up, this one would be a flip down because it flips down. See that? And then you could take whatever and tuck it. Instead of tucking it down here, it will hold it right there. So I hope that you learned something new today on how to make a corner pocket because we glued it only on 2 sides. Flip up where you can put something here so when you flip it up you see it, or you can put paper, or it's just a space where you can journal and becomes a pocket. So that would be there, and it added to my devotional journal. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. If you didn't understand something or if you have any questions, leave your questions or concerns down in the description box and I will get back to you. It was my pleasure coming to you and showing you how to do a corner pocket flip up excuse me, for That's Just Penny 80 Days of Junk Journal Stuffies Challenge. I hope you're having a great day and happy crafting, everyone.